We're on our way to Be Actress to spend time with family and Mika. Can you say I did so good the whole trip? I just slept like a handsome boy. Oh, thank you. You are such a traveling boy.
Another coffee. Like that. Like that. Oh. Is this what it is?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go to Moose?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a ticket?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be in February.
Yeah.
Get your vacation days lined up.
That's why we told you to take that off. And then...
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. All girls.
Yeah. Girls trip. And then that goes with it as well.
I mean, they did to me last time. I was in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we left you.
Yeah, we left.
We left you. Yeah.
So bad.
I found it and I was like, yep, I gotta remember to take this bag.
My black coat.
I like your gun one better.
Yeah.
Starts losing, articles are closing.
Great Frito powder.
Hola? I was gonna cheers her, I turned around and she already drank the cup.
Taking it down. You can't catch it.
I can't believe you both died, or both of your characters died.
I can't believe I'm still alive.
Is this for all of us?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Angela ordered it for herself.
Okay, so I just got home. Dior did so good on both of the car rides. He slept the entire way, which was so nice. I'm glad he's finally getting used to like riding in a car since I travel so much. But since I got home and Michaela went back to New Mexico, I will see her in a month. And it'll be so exciting. We're going on another cruise for my birthday, because my birthday actually exists next year. But I thought to end this vlog that I would try and show you everything that I got for Christmas. It's gonna be kind of hard, and if you're watching this and you got me something and you don't see it in here, it's probably because I ate it already or I used it and it's in like the laundry or something. But I think I tried to get everything like as gathered as possible. I just want to make a disclaimer. This is in no way ever bragging. Christmas hauls are just my favorite thing to watch. I just like to see what other people got, what they wanted most. I don't know, it's just this weird thing. I just really love watching what people got. It gives me ideas of what to get people for Christmas or what I might want for Christmas the following year, stuff like that. So I just want to put that out there. No way bragging. I'm very thankful for everything I got, for all the people in my life. They honestly could get me nothing and I would be perfectly happy as long as I got to spend time with them. So I am so thankful. But let's go ahead and let's get through this because there's a lot. So here's a first bag. This is from one of my friends, Christine. She got me these huge ice cube like tray things and you can like easily pop them out. We got some sun clips, some JK Cookie BT21 socks. We got a face mask, Another thing of Jungkook. We got these cute little kitties and they look like Dior. I got this Barbie pin because I collect pins. We got some Mary Kay lipsticks. This is my claw clip. Okay, in here we got one of my favorite body washes. This is the strawberry milk. We got the Beauty of Joseon glow serum, which I love. We got an ube or taro bubble tea. I got some champagne toast bath bombs from Bath & Body Works. She also got me this like set of like Elf movie bath bombs, and I've already started using them, so they're in my bathroom. And then I also got a fan. In this one, we have got some towels, some Disney towels, which are so cute. Big bucket of cheese balls because I absolutely love cheese balls. And I got 2 things of like boba tea, but this K-pop like snack thing, but I did in fact eat all the snacks, so those are all gone already. Right along, Michaela got me this fanny pouch from Aerie. Love, I've used it already. And then she also got this matching set. I will throw up a picture here. We wore that for our New Year's party. I got these Santa socks from American Eagle. I got these fuzzy slippers. We got, oops, I got this striped blue sweater. We all got matching Christmas sweaters this year, so I got this one. Got this t-shirt that says Pisces on it. A blanket that is honestly Dior's now because he's obsessed with it. I got this bathrobe. I got a whole bunch more towels. This blowout brush. Michaela got me this make your own perfect boyfriend kit. Got an assortment of Lindt chocolates. Also got this little chocolate cone from Lindt. Another thing that I got is this t-shirt. I am obsessed with this bear from Ralph Lauren for some reason. So I got this little t-shirt. We got these little hand lollipop. Michaela's little brother Roel got me the Sabrina Carpenter Sweet Tooth perfume, which I'm obsessed with. Sabrina Carpenter is literally like the love of my life, so I'm super obsessed with that. More festivals this year. Michaela got me some glitter, so we have some unicorn snot glitter, and this one is super cool. It's like pink. 3 pairs of shoes. So Michaela got me these Converse. I wore these on New Year's. I also got these Converse to wear to work. These ones are leather and they're like furry suede on the inside. And I've been wanting these shoes 5 ever, and they are the Adidas Sambas. These are so freaking hard to find, and I am so happy that I finally got those. I also will put up a picture of one of the gifts that I ordered myself. I finally ordered myself a pair of the Naked Wolf boots because they were 40% off, and I was like, I cannot pass up that deal. So I bought myself the Naked Wolf boots. And again, I told you I'm obsessed with this bear, so I got a lot of Ralph Lauren. We got these cute little bear socks. I just think he is so freaking cute. I got some socks. I think there's another pack in here somewhere. I got these socks from Tommy Hilfiger. I love a good pair of socks. I got this candle. It smells so freaking good. Oh goodness. I got some Tommy Hilfiger boy shorts. I got a couple Tommy Hilfiger bras. So I got this one, and then I got the same one but in red. And then I got another little Ralph Lauren t-shirt. This one, he's skiing. He's just so cute. I'm obsessed with this bear. I don't know what it is. And then I also got the Ralph Lauren just white sweater with the little Christmas bear on it. And I just think he is so stinking cute. Okay, so I also got this Christmas t-shirt with these matching like boy shorts to go with it. And then I also got this pajama set, which is super cute, and I actually wore it, so it's all like tangled up now, but it has this on it as well. Michaela and I always do matching like pajamas, and that's pretty much all we buy, because when we visit each other during the Christmas time, all we are in is our pajamas, because we don't really go anywhere. We just kind of hang out and play video games and stuff. So that's why there are so many like just loungewear pieces. I also got this vanilla almond hand soap. I got this Starbucks cup. It's rose gold. It is so freaking cute. I was making sure I didn't stuff anything in there. I also got a more assortment of chocolates, and then like, oops, like inside there. And then I also got a Trader Joe's gift card, because Trader Joe's is my favorite grocery store ever. Oh, I opened this already. Let's see if I can open it again. This is one of the Disney cuffs, and I'm gonna put him on my put her on my steering wheel because she is so cute. I got Minnie Mouse. Kayla also got me this like build your own like milkshake type thing. So you have to put it in the sun in order for it to like solidify. That's the only way it solidifies. But here's like tiny bag of ice cubes, a little straw, the cup, tongs, and the little lid. Sign that says enjoy the little things with yellow flowers on it. Cute little cat headband to do my makeup. These cereal earrings. I was looking at these when Michaela and I were in San Francisco, and I had no idea that she had grabbed them. So I am so excited. And I think it's so funny when people grab things like without you noticing. And then she also got me this creator camera set for obvious reasons. Here I am on YouTube filming myself. So I'm super excited. This is my first Lego set ever. So I'm really excited for that. I think that is everything that I got for Christmas. I had to zoom through that so quick. Again, super duper thankful. I love how well everybody knows me and just got things that I love. I don't know. I think that's the best part about Christmas, is seeing what other people's perception of you is, and like what they think of you and what they think you'd like. Like, I just think that's such a cool experience, because we all have like individual perceptions of people. So I just think it's fun to see what people remember that you talked about over the year, or how closely people like pay attention and stuff. I don't know. I just think it's a cool like experience. Gift giving is like my absolute love language. So yeah, but yeah, that is everything for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I feel like I am in a much better headspace right now than I was a few weeks ago, so I am happy that this is how the new year is going so far. And I can't wait to see what this year holds. I feel like there's so many things that could happen this year. All are quite unpredictable, so I'm excited to see where this year takes me. Yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.